Your company's chief information officer tells you that your computer system's been hacked. What do you do? Critical business information may have been disclosed. Customers' credit card numbers, checking account numbers, their social security numbers. Their personal information may have been compromised. Actually, the better question is not if, but when a breach will occur. Assume it will happen, because no organization is immune to a data breach. Even the most sophisticated IT systems can be hacked or compromised. No amount of technology can account for human error or deception. So don't wait for a breach to occur before you decide how you respond. You want to be proactive, not just reactive. But without a plan in place, you can't act quickly or thoroughly. So how do you prepare? To respond effectively, you need a response team that's prepared to act on a number of fronts at once. Key members of that team would include senior managers who can make decisions and commit resources to respond to the breach, your CIO or internal IT staff who can plug the leak as quickly as possible, communications experts, both internal and external, with experience in crisis issues. Avoid customer outrage by communicating with your customers promptly and accurately. Outside forensic experts to investigate what happened, to identify what was disclosed, and to recommend best practices to prevent another breach. Last but not least, legal counsel, because there are significant liability issues. So why the need for a lawyer? It's critical that your investigation and response be guided from the beginning by counsel. A lawyer is the best resource, first, to advise you on the host of state laws and federal regulations that govern when and how you must notify consumers and law enforcement authorities of a breach. These laws often overlap. They can be confusing and conflicting. Second, you need a lawyer to coordinate with state or federal law enforcement agencies and to minimize the risk of enforcement actions. Thirdly, to examine contract obligations you may have with vendors, with customers, or with regulatory authorities. Fourth, to respond to any potential threats or claims you receive. And fifth, to assess whether you have insurance coverage for the breach or should obtain coverage for breaches in the future. At Womble Carlyle, we have the experience and the experts to help you successfully navigate a data breach crisis and to minimize its effects on your business and on your reputation. I'm Jay Silver. Thanks for watching Womble Carlyle Tech Briefs.